और इसी बीच विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर क्या बोल रहे हैं, सीधा रुख करते हैं उनका।
Early warnings to peacekeepers. We intend to deploy this initially in 4 missions in Cyprus, Somalia, South Sudan and Mali. We believe that consistent training and capacity building is very important, and therefore to that end we have signed an MOU with the UN earlier today for partnership for technology in peacekeeping and with the UNC4ISR Academy. So we are hopeful that these initiatives of the Indian presidency will provide the UN peacekeepers with the wherewithal to implement their mandate and to secure them to the best possible effect.
Yoshita Singh with Press Trust of India. Thank you, Mr. Jaishankar, for addressing us here. A regional question. How does India view and deal with the Taliban leadership now in Afghanistan? And also the terrorist safe havens and sanctuaries in Pakistan have been a cause of concern for countries in the region and India as well. Now with the Taliban regime, how do you see the security situation? Are you concerned that the Pak-based terrorists can exploit the situation in Afghanistan? Thank you.
Well, at the moment, we are, like everybody else, very carefully following developments in Afghanistan. I think our focus is on ensuring the security in Afghanistan and the safe return of Indian nationals who are there. So that is really what has been very much the focus of my own engagements here. Talking to the UN Secretary General, to other colleagues who are here, as well as with the US Secretary of State a few days ago.
Mr. Minister, James Bays from Al Jazeera. A follow-up question on that. India's had considerable investment and involvement in Afghanistan over the last 20 years. If, as now seems likely, there is a Taliban government or a Taliban-dominated government, will India be engaged in Afghanistan?
Well, look, I think first of all, while you use the word investment, for us, it reflected what was a historical relationship with the Afghan people. I think that relationship with the Afghan people obviously continues, and that will guide our approach to Afghanistan in the coming days. At this time, I think as I said, these are early days. Our focus right now is on ensuring the safety and security of Indian nationals who are there.
Mr. Minister, Michelle Nichols from Reuters. Has India had any communication with the Taliban in recent days?
Well, look, I think at this point of time we are looking at what is the situation, evolving situation in Kabul. Obviously, the Taliban and its representatives have come to Kabul, so I think we need to take it on from there. So thank you again very much.
विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर को आपने सुना, उनसे सवाल पूछा गया था कि अफगान को लेकर क्या सोच रहे हैं आप, क्या आपकी पॉलिसी, और इस पर उन्होंने कहा कि अभी सिर्फ हम डेवलपमेंट देख रहे हैं। वहां पर इस वक्त जो भी प्रगति हो रही है, जो एक्शन वहां पर चल रहा है, जो चीजें चल रही हैं, उन गतिविधियों को हम देख रहे हैं। और प्राथमिकता भी अभी एस जयशंकर ने बताई, और प्राथमिकता में उन्होंने बताया कि हमारी प्राथमिकता सिर्फ भारतीय नागरिकों को वहां से निकालना है।
जी हाँ, बड़ी बात है जिस तरह के डेवलपमेंट अफगानिस्तान में हो रहे हैं। सरकार लगातार ये कोशिश कर रही है कि जो कॉन्सुलेट्स, एम्बेसीज में काम करने वाले भारतीय हैं, अल्पसंख्यक हैं, उनको वहां से सही सलामत रेस्क्यू किया जाए। लगातार सेना अपने ग्लोब मास्टर विमान का इस्तेमाल कर रही है, क्योंकि इस वक्त जिस तरह की सिचुएशन वहां पे है, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, कोई नहीं जानता। और जिस तरह से तालिबान का इतिहास रहा है, एक हिंसक टेरर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो कभी भी किसी की हत्या कर सकता है, किसी भी तरह के टॉर्चर कर सकता है उनको। तो इस वक्त सिर्फ भारत ये सोच रहा है कि किसी तरह से वहां पे लोगों को महफूज तरीके से वापस लाया जाए, ताकि कम से कम कैजुअलिटी और एक